Do you know what I'm going to do? So to this video, I'm going to show you to draw a heart on my lips. So I got a little lips, as you know, but we'll try to do it. Okay, so I have this lip liner from Dior. So that's the color, guys. So let's do it. I need a mirror. Just keep an eye. So now the lips is lined. So I'm going to make a heart because it's Valentine's Day. So it's hard. That's it, guys. Let's fix it good. So this is perfect for the have a bigger lips, so you can see it clearly, but it's okay.